Welcome to GCSE Biology, Animal and Plant Cells. So the cells that make up your body are typical animal cells. All cells have some features in common. You can see these features clearly in animal cells. So animal cells, structure and function. So the structure and function of the parts that make up a cell have been made clear by the electron microscope. You will learn more about how their structure relates to their functions as you study more about specific organ systems during this course. An average animal cell is around about, I would say, probably around about 10 to 30 long. So it would take around about 100,000 to 300,000 cells to line up along the length of a meter ruler. Human beings are animals, so human cells are just like most other animal cells, and you will see exactly the same structures inside of them. So first of all, they have a nucleus, and this controls all the activities of the cell and is surrounded by the nuclear membrane. It contains the genes on the chromosomes that carry the instructions for making the proteins needed to build new cells of new organisms. A cytoplasm is a liquid gel in which the organelles are suspended and where most of the chemical reactions needed for life take place. Thirdly, we have what we call a cell membrane. Now, a cell membrane controls the passage of substances such as glucose and mineral ions into the cell. It also controls the movement of substances such as urea or hormones out of the cell. The mitochondria, these are structures in the cytoplasm where aerobic respiration takes place, releasing energy for the cell. And then we have ribosomes, where protein synthesis takes place, making all the protein needed in the cell. Let's have a look at this. So this is a typical example of a diagram of cells in which it has been magnified 1,350 times under a light microscope. And this is how an animal cell is drawn. And this is an animal cell being magnified 1,350 times. All right. So in this animal cell, typical example, this is a nucleus. You have cytoplasm, mitochondria, ribosome, and also a cell membrane as well. Okay. So very good. So have a look at this example. We're looking at, in this specific video, animal cells, but you also have plant cells that you're going to compare with as well. So good luck with these questions, and we'll follow these up in our next class. Take care.